Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to adjust headlights on a GMC Sierra using an easy method. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe driving, ensuring you have clear visibility and don't blind other drivers. We'll cover the simple steps to get your headlights perfectly aimed, improving your nighttime driving experience significantly. This straightforward process can be done right at home with minimal tools. Before you begin, park your GMC Sierra on a flat, level surface, exactly 25 feet away from a wall. Make sure your tires are properly inflated to their recommended pressure, as this affects vehicle stance and headlight aim. Finally, give your headlight lenses a good cleaning to ensure the light beams are clear and undistorted for accurate adjustments. Now, measure the distance from the ground to the very center of your headlight bulbs. Transfer this measurement to the wall, drawing a horizontal line at that exact height. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight, marking a vertical line on the wall for each one. These marks will be your aiming points. With your reference points set, locate the adjustment screws on your headlight assembly, usually found on the top or side. Use a screwdriver to turn these screws, carefully adjusting the headlight beams until they align with the marks you made on the wall. Once adjusted, take your Sierra for a drive on a dark road to confirm the new aim provides optimal visibility without dazzling other drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.